Hi.
Today we are gonna make this 3D printed engine work, and this was done for demonstration purposes. And this 3D engine is fully plastic, made from PLA, no metallic parts, and we are trying to fire it up today. Let's get started.
This is how it looks, and pay attention to the gear. This is more exciting. Might do a project how to use this engine.
Well, this is a failed attempt for improving the crankshaft. I was gonna add a pulley, but then found out that you cannot put this crankshaft on with that. So the pulley idea was gone. Yeah. See, they go on a crankshaft, and the sanding was mostly you need to be uniform, but that was not required. So I ended up doing this cylinder, remove lots of area since we don't need that, and decrease the friction. Of course, I did first make another mistake. There is lots of friction, and it's a cylinder head is like very hard to reach, and so I had to move this one down. So then the major change came with the crankshaft. So the crankshaft, original crankshaft, it has a lots of surface area. So see. So to decrease it, I added a opening inside that kind of like decrease the friction, and also to decrease the friction, I remove some of this area so the crankshaft doesn't have too much contact. So even this, it's too much. And in addition, I add the gear so we can actually take some power away from this air motor. So in the future, we'll have that. So also there was a problem with the original spring that was holding the cylinders together. This was the original with the single wall thickness. It's very flimsy, very fragile. So I end up with the bigger version. Still was not strong enough, and then I end up with the final version, which is like much beefier and much chunkier. So lots of experimentation. I hope you enjoy all the work I've done. And I'll be happy to hear about your comments and suggestions on where to go from now on. Thanks for watching.